Amber Heard could face perjury charges over 2016 pistol and boot debacle after details of the incident were dredged up in her ex-husband Johnny Depp's libel case against The Sun. Amber Heard tries avoiding jail after having a child. The actress is currently under investigation by the Department of Agriculture, Water and the Environment after an ex-employee of Depp's claimed in court he was forced to lie under oath about her dog's illegal entry into Queensland. A department spokesperson told News.com that AU on Wednesday the department is investigating if any criminal offenses under Commonwealth legislation have been committed relating to the testimony provided to the High Court in London. Because of the nature of those inquiries, we are unable to provide a timeline. The Johnny Depp and Amber Heard drama is far from over, and it seems that more and more different details and information are emerging every day. Infamous audio leak, police officers' body cam footage, and many other things were revealed during this never-ending legal battle. However, as you may have noticed, all this evidence is strongly against Amber Heard, except this one. The recent one, a few weeks ago, Amber Heard secretly welcomed her baby girl Una Page via surrogate. And now fans, and not only fans, literally everyone, sure that Amber will try to use the child to her advantage to win a lawsuit against Johnny Depp. It's been years since the nasty and messy drama started getting really tense between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp. Whether you wanted that or not, you've heard about so many plot twists in this ugly divorcing scenario, so it is difficult to surprise you with something unique about the entire situation. According to the recent news and updates, 6 months ago, Johnny Depp lost his libel case. Johnny Depp and his legal team tried to fight, but there was no chance of winning. Though Johnny Depp has strong support from his fans, things certainly haven't gone JD's way in the courtroom. As for now, even despite the fact that Johnny's appeal was rejected by the Court of Appeals in March, a separate lawsuit against Amber Heard in the United States is scheduled to go to trial in April 2022. And also the good news for the actor is that a judge has finally ruled in his favor when it comes to questions over the $7 million divorce settlement Johnny Depp had paid Amber Heard after the couple officially divorced in 2016. At the time, Amber Heard pledged to donate the entire settlement to the American Civil Liberties Union and the Children's Hospital Los Angeles, but it wasn't officially proven. Johnny Depp's lawyer Andrew Collicott says that this public pledge made Heard was nothing more than calculated and manipulative lie, meant only to tip the scales against Mr. Depp from the very beginning. He has introduced evidence to support his claims, alleging that the Children's Hospital Los Angeles wrote to Johnny Depp's business advisor in 2019 and informed them that Amber Heard still hadn't donated the money. And there are so many things that Amber said or did that still remain controversial or questionable. It's obviously been a very messy legal battle, but a good portion of the public seemed to believe Johnny Depp's version of events. That is why it seems like Amber Heard has been worried lately and she didn't know how to make another plot twist. But here we go. Recently, Amber Heard literally shocked the world when she revealed she's a mom. Yes, mom. Out of nowhere, Amber Heard took to IG and shared a photo of herself with a little child captioning, "I'm so excited to share this news with you. 4 years ago, I decided I wanted to have a child. I wanted to do it on my own terms," she wrote. "I now appreciate how radical it is for us as women to think about one of the most fundamental parts of our destinies in this way. I hope we arrive at a point in which it's normalized to not want a ring in order to have a crib." She added, "A part of me wants to uphold that my private life is none of anyone's business. I also get that the nature of my job compels me to take control of this. My daughter was born on April 2021. Her name is Una Page Heard. She's the beginning of the rest of my life." A source exclusively told Page 6 on Thursday that Heard is beyond in love with her daughter, Una Page, who she named after her late mom, Paige. Also, Amber's friends revealed that Una was born with the help of a surrogate after Amber Heard was told that she would never be able to carry her own baby. A source who knows the star told us, "Una is absolutely gorgeous and Amber is besotted. She always knew that she wanted to be a mom and this is her greatest wish come true. She's so grateful to the wonderful woman who helped bring Una into her life. The most important thing for Amber is that she's open about Una's birth," the source continued. In a witness statement provided to a London court earlier this year, he claimed he told her several times that their miniature Yorkshire Terriers were not allowed to enter the state. However, Sasha Was QC, acting for the Sun, defended Heard and said, "She never asked you to lie. I suggest that you are lying. You have represented this issue of the dogs in a misleading way in an attempt to discredit Ms. Heard," was asked Murphy. "Ms. Heard never asked you to make a false statement in the Australian proceedings relating to the dogs." Murphy replied, "That's incorrect." Heard became embroiled in one of the most bizarre political scandals in history 4 years ago after she joined her then-husband on Queensland Gold Coast via private jet, dogs in tow, while he was filming Pirates of the Caribbean. It was the same trip during which the couple had a brutal argument, which ended with Depp's finger being severed. Heard alleged she was held hostage for 3 days by the actor in a drug-fueled rage. Depp has denied he was physically abusive. The 34-year-old Aquaman has avoided conviction over the pistol and boo matter in April 2016, claiming she was unaware that the correct paperwork had not been logged prior to her arrival. She was later forced by then-Deputy Minister Barnaby Joyce to film a biosecurity apology video alongside Depp. She was also slapped with a $1,000 fine. However, Murphy told London's High Court in July that Heard was aware she was breaking the law and had demanded that he make a full witness statement. He said, "When I expressed that I was extremely uncomfortable with this, Ms. Heard said to me, 'Well, I want your help on this. I wouldn't want you to have a problem with your job.'" Was QC representing the Sun asked Murphy, "You are now admitting that you committed perjury in Australia as a result of something your boss's wife asked you to do?" Mr. Murphy replied, "That's correct." Why on earth did you not go to Mr. Depp to ask him to intervene rather than just lying on oath? The lawyer asked. Depp is suing newsgroup newspapers over an article in 2018 that described him as a wife beater. During the trial, the High Court heard of 14 alleged incidents of domestic violence against Heard, which Depp denies.